want to show you how this raccoon sneakily got in and why the importance of screening wall vents. Typically we do this for birds and squirrels, but I want you to look at this. So right on ground level, right here, and if you look at, this used to be on here, you can see the raccoon clawed it right out, drop that, and if I go right inside, he's right inside the furnace room. All right, so this is maybe a foot or two off the ground, and if you notice that, it's only a 6-inch diameter, and it got in. All right, so we're gonna take this off, okay? We're gonna pluck that out, and then put in what's called a one-way door because we can't get her in the rafters there. We already have our babies out here, and once I'm done everything here, I'm gonna show you the setup, okay? I don't know if you can see the daylight coming up through there, but that's the outside wall vent that the raccoon ripped up, climbed along underneath this channel in the furnace room. All right, then tucked in here, walked up here, and if you can look in there, you can see her footprints going back up into that channel. I'll take you outside here. So what she did is came right back into the ceiling. If you notice here, we just cut this area out, and this is where we cut the 5 babies out. And so what's going to happen now is the 5 babies will be placed outside in the baby box, and we'll take you outside and see what we're going to do there. Now, I'm going to take you over here and show you what we've done. So we've extracted the 5 raccoon babies. So we got them in our warming box and in a little bit of the nest of the insulation so Mama can smell them really good. So I'm going to close the box up here and just show you around here. So what we've done now, since Mom is still into the rafters, is we installed what's called a one-way door. So Mom will be able to come out, drop down, and then immediately be reunited with their babies and be able to relocate them somewhere else. So we've got rid of the raccoons out of the customer's house. They're happy. We've got the babies with the mother, and she'll be able to relocate them and stay together. So they're happy. All in all, this is another day for Ontario Wildlife Removal. Thanks a lot. Take care.